Very few people, outside of Africa, are aware how rapidly and dramatically water availability has changed in the world's second largest continent. This is because groundwater storage changes across most of Africa have dramatically flipped in their tendencies over the last 2 decades in association with global warming. The Intertropical Convergence Zone (ITZ), which is very much the axis of the monsoon, has shifted northward and narrowed, bringing much more rain to the Sahel with a tripling of heavier thunderstorms, so that it now sees more heavy thunderstorms than just about anywhere else on Earth. But the Sahara has mostly become even drier. Although, say, Africa has become less dry, Madagascar has become much drier. All of these changes have profound consequences for just where agriculture is successful and where it is not. It's clear that global warming is causing dramatic shifts to Africa's arable zones, making long-term farming extremely challenging. But now we have a record El Niño building. This will reverse the greening of much of the Sahel and likely bring catastrophic flooding to East and equatorial Africa. Water scarcity and crop failures through 2027 will be massive, widespread, and deadly in many regions of Africa and the rest of the world. Africa's current population is approximately 1.6 billion people, making up about 19% of the world total. United Nations projections estimate the population will reach 2.5 billion by 2050 and grow to roughly 3.8 billion by 2100 under medium variant forecasts. Africa's fertility rate averages 3.9 births per woman, which is much higher than the global replacement level of 2.1, though rates vary widely by country. African population is expected to hit 2.5 billion by 2050, with 1 in 4 people globally residing on the continent, and 3.8 billion by 2100, with 12% of the world's 25 most populous nations located in Africa. Rapid urbanization and relatively high, though declining fertility, but with a disproportionately large share of the population under 25 years old, will likely lead to an astounding 10 African cities with populations over 30 million each by 2050, according to the UN, including Lagos, Kinshasa, Cairo, Luanda, Dar es Salaam, Khartoum, Nairobi, Addis Ababa, Johannesburg, and Abidjan. Such massive population centres will rise and fall depending on ever-accelerating volatility of water availability with accelerating global warming. Images. Shallow groundwater storage in February 2003 and February 2025, as compared to the average from 1948 to 2012. Source: NASA Gravity Recovery and Climate Experiment. NASA adapted by Yale Environment 360. See less.